loves Nati Legaspi Mancol!
Ano ang istorya dito? Ito si Miss Tingle Ball!
Hi, I'm Latagang Silvior. Huy, grabe ba?
Hi mga katropa, I'm Chris Mix Vlog!
Hello guys, I'm Junjun Vlog.
Obit Vlog TV!
Hello, what's up mga katatang? So, ito na naman si Tatang Chad Official.
The Arnic TV lang! And we are the Summer Vloggers!
Ano ngayon?
Hey, so nakakaway si Ma'am Nati Mancol, alright? Summer Vloggers, the boat is sinking. Drop yourselves into 3! Alat si Nick. Ready na ba? Waray katinay, Miss Tin. Waray katinay.
Ano mamibigay ng premyo eh?
Summer Vloggers, the boat is sinking. Drop yourselves into 4! The Jimmy Fishing is out. Out na si Jimmy Fishing. Okay, ilan na lang kayo? Hello? Grabe, talaga si Vloggers, the boat is sinking. Drop yourselves into 2! Sino natin nakahanap ng partner? Yan. Kasi si Sir Chris, kahit saan na pumupunta eh. Okay. Summer Vloggers, are you ready? The boat is sinking. Drop yourselves into 6. Anim! Okay. Group yourselves into 1! Summer Vloggers, group the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3! Sorry guys, sila Nati Mancol ang Chris Mix Vlog. Summer Vloggers, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4!
Oh no!
Nangyari guys! 4! Okay, tanggal na ang buwa. Okay, vlogger na lang na nabilin, Miss Tin, Calbayo, Jerwin, John Will, and Robert. Okay. Siya magpa-premyo sa lawat ang magtawag. Okay na, upat? Nakarigo na good, ano? Hook yourselves into 2!
Nababastos ako.
Okay, vloggers, grabe ang titibay ng 4. Okay. The boat is sinking, group yourselves into 2. The boat is sinking, group yourselves into 3. So vloggers, salo na lang. The boat is sinking, group yourselves into... Ano, wala pa? Okay, the boat is sinking, group yourselves into 2. Okay, paghatian niyo, 2.5 lang. Okay.